Ah, there is nothing like a three-layer dessert, especially when it contains a crumb-based layer, a creamy custard filling, and a decadent chocolate ganache. This is Nanaimo Bar. It's a Canadian thing. Originating in British Columbia city of Nanaimo, this dessert was popularized nationwide after being showcased at Expo 86, and we even released a postage stamp dedicated to the dessert. Now, similar recipes are found in other parts of North America and Europe. Once you try one, you will never want to stop eating. We are sure of it. To make the bottom layer, start by combining half cup of unsalted butter in a mixing bowl. Add 40 grams of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of Dutch cocoa powder. Place the bowl on top of a double boiler. Begin by gently stirring the ingredients with a whisk. Stir until they are melted and smooth. Add 1 egg and keep stirring for about 3 minutes. Notice that the mixture is starting to get thicker. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a quick stir and remove the bowl from the heat. Add 175 grams of graham cracker crumbs, about 85 grams of coconut flakes, 75 grams of chopped almond. You can also use pecans or walnuts as a substitute. Mix thoroughly. As the mixture gets harder, you can use a spoon to fully incorporate the ingredients together. In a 9-inch square baking pan, butter it and line it with parchment paper, allowing the 2 sides of the parchment to hang over the edges of the pan. Pour the crust mixture into the pan. Spread evenly with a spoon. To make the mixture dense, press it down firmly. Bake for 10 minutes in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then allow it to cool to room temperature. The second layer is a creamy custard filling, and we begin by combining half cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Cream the ingredients together. And finally, add 150 grams of icing sugar. Continue mixing until all of the ingredients are fully incorporated and smooth. Use a spatula to give it a final, thorough mix. Evenly spread the filling on top of the bottom crust. Chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour to harden the cream filling. For the topping, start by combining 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate in a mixing bowl. Next, grab cubes of 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. Place the bowl over a double boiler. Begin stirring to melt the chocolate and the butter. Add another tablespoon of butter and stir to melt. Repeat the process with the remaining butter. Once the chocolate is nice and smooth, remove it from the heat and set aside to cool down for a few minutes. Pour the warm chocolate over the custard filling. Spread the chocolate evenly to make it smooth. Finally, place the chocolate in the refrigerator to harden. Gently lift the two ends of the parchment paper. Using a clean, hot knife, slice into small rectangles. Keep cleaning the knife every time you make a slice. And that's how you make a delicious Canadian dessert Nanaimo bars. Of course, you can always customize them with different flavors such as mint or peanut butter. We hope you enjoyed this dessert recipe, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick, easy and delicious recipes. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.